Alright, so I'm towing the boat. Kind of want to give you, it's a 13,000 pound load. I just want to kind of give you a little bit of an idea of how this thing accelerates. Under 13,000, it's 102 degrees. And here we go. This is flat to the floor right here. Getting out of it pretty good. Could always be faster, but you know, it's not like it can't get out of its own way. Again, 13,000 pounds, 102 degrees, merging on the highway. It'll move, and it is a stock motor, stock L5P, no tunes, totally bone stock. Alright, so towing the boat here, going 80 and a 75 on cruise control. I filled up 87.5 miles ago in Parker. As you can see, my average towing here has been 8.3, but I've been on it, and let's see what my current is. So currently I'm getting 10 or 11 towing 80 down the highway, which seems to be fine, normal for this trailer. Let's see, the transmission temp, you can see it there in the top right gauge. It's a little over 160, somewhere in there. It was 158 for a while. It's in 10th gear, lock converter, cruising. And yeah, getting a new fuel filter soon. See what the trans temp is. Where is it? .163. Engine is normal. Where you see it now, in the middle there, is exactly where it is when I'm not towing. So obviously the cooling stack on this truck is pretty good. It's 96 degrees right now. Humidity's not too bad, as it has been. But yeah, this thing's just a freeway flyer when you're towing. Obviously, it's rated for more than what I'm towing, but I'm sure that it acts the same on a flat highway like this, no matter what the weight. So far, very happy with how it performs, and can't wait to see what the next generation of Duramax is packing for power, because even though this thing is pretty torquey, especially you know, in the low and mid range, it always keeps it at 1600 RPM normally. You know, when you're at the right speed, like right about now. 75, you're at 1600. But yeah, it just, this thing has gotten enough power, but obviously you can always use more, especially when you're passing. It gives you a little bit more confidence when you know you can get around somebody in the time allotted. So yeah, the truck's towing great, and getting decent mileage, I guess, for what I'm doing. But 36 gallon tank, 10 miles a gallon, you know, with a little reserve you might go 330, 340 miles. Towing, and when I'm not towing, I'm averaging around 17, mixed highway and city, long highway trips at 80, unloaded, flat ground, I'm closer to 20. So quite the range when you're not loaded. About 700, 720 miles, they say. Yeah, a little more power and a bigger tank would be nice in the next generation. Besides that, the chassis and everything, brakes, turbo brake is engaged, tow haul mode is engaged. What's really trick is when you hook the trailer up and you can do a light test, it also recognizes the trailer, and it'll tell you that it's recalled the brake gain settings from your last time towing it. So that's nice, you don't have to reset every time. And then it keeps track of maintenance reminders and mileage, towing, and total odometer on the trailer and all that. So really a cool truck. These 2020s are nice. So I'm going to continue hauling here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.